guys, guess what? We are in a like a zoo. But it's not like a zoo. But guess what? Can you hear them? They hit. You wanna see them? Look.
I want to see. Just come back. I want to see this.
See those? They're so like loud. And guys, you wanna see the line? Look, just look. It's so close to us.
The wolves. They're howling.
Serien is leaks, buddy. Oh, look, even hotter than
Can you hear them? Look. But it's in a cage, so it can't attack us. But look. So yeah, guys. So that's it. So in the next part, I'm gonna show you again. Okay? Like again, not the lion, but like other animals, like howling, or like doing like lines of the wolves. Yeah. So bye, guys.